good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K. Before you guys watch this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your boy's on the road to 50K, then 100K. We're pretty close to the 50K mark, so let's get there. S2K is coming along super good right now. Not ready to get started yet. Like I said, I still have to get the ECU, get a base map for the ECU. So until then, I'm not gonna be able to start the car. But like I said, I do have a lot of parts that I need to install, a lot of parts that I have in the car that you guys don't even know about yet. And I actually have some parts on the way too that, you know, is a secret. So we gotta stay tuned. Like I said, the coronavirus is kind of like slowing everything down for us, where a lot of the shops, a lot of the tuners and stuff like that, they're not open. So we don't have access to go and get things that we need right away. But on this rainy Wednesday, so far we've got the VTEC solenoid put in with the new gaskets. The oil pan fittings tightened up. We tightened up a lot of the bolts right now. Main is back there adjusting the belt so that way, you know, it's tightened up and not loose. So we have a lot that we have to still get done. Like I said, I have a lot of parts that you guys don't know about yet. So when we get to those points in the videos, in the series, you guys will see it. But for now, we're just gonna take it step by step. I'm trying to get as much content as I can with what I have right now, because like I said, it's just a lot going on. Got people running around here with face masks and gloves, and it's like, damn, like, is the world coming to an end? I don't know. Say that again.
Wait, never mind. Is that the right pulley I'm looking at?
It's the right pulley, bro.
Oh, I see it. Fuck.
So right now, the belt for the Supercharger has tension. The actual pulleys on the actual motor has tension. Now we just have to bolt and tighten one of the pulleys behind the Supercharger's plate. And I'm guessing the next will be working on the catch can.
Yo, let me see the 7/8 wrench.
7/8.
Okay, guys. So right now, we just tensioned the belt for the Supercharger. On this Vortex setup, there's two separate belts. You have a designated belt for the Supercharger, and it uses the OEM belt for the accessories. So we just tightened the tensioner, and we're just going to rotate the motor to make sure none of the pulleys are binding. Everything turns nice and freely, so that's good.
Whew. Y'all see it coming together. Nice. What I'm thinking about doing is I've seen a couple people with S2000s, they have like these plate covers. Sometimes they come in like wrinkled black. You'll see them in like aluminum finish. I'll probably do like a wrinkled black one just to, like, you know, make it sleek, and it covers all of this, and it covers the battery on that side, just so that way it's just not so like wires everywhere and like good stuff like that. So probably gonna end up getting that once everything's done and, you know, we get everything sorted out. But I definitely want to get a cover for this because I don't really like the way this is looking. And then when I get some more bread, like when the bread is real right, and you guys get me to 100K, I'll probably get the intake here. What is this? Intake manifold here, powder coated, and then probably like just respray the motor and just clean it up inside here, and maybe do a little shave and tuck, you know? And then if I feel the need for a little bit more power, then possibly I'll go turbo and do like a friggin' 650 horsepower build, if not a little bit more. But we'll see. You know what I mean? That's just the car guy in me talking. We don't know where it's gonna go in the next year or month or 2 days. All right, so we just made it out to the tuner, about to drop the Hondata off. Well, I gotta wait in the car, obviously. For it, he's gonna put the base map on it for me to at least get the car started, and then I'll come back and get the car actually tuned. So it's $100 to get the base map loaded onto this, but the $100 go towards the tune. So that's actually a good deal, because a couple of the other tuners were just charging me $100 and then another $600 just to even get the car tuned. So that's why I went with this company. I'm not gonna say exactly who yet, but you guys will find out in the later videos. All right, so we loaded the base map for the injectors and all that good shit. Main just went into Subway real quick to get something to eat. I'm probably gonna wait until I get home to eat, because I gotta go home to the woman, you feel me, the wife. She's gonna be like, oh, you ate without me, so I'm gonna wait. But I'm super excited about this, man. The car should be able to get started on Saturday. Me and Main just sat here and was like, yeah, we're gonna get the car ready Saturday. So then after that, all I gotta do is get the car tuned. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do these gauges. Once I get that figured out and what I'm gonna do with that, then I'll know for sure as to what you know, we need else done. So just more parts, bro. It's getting annoying. It's getting annoying. Alright, so I'm almost done editing this video. It's probably gonna be a short one because yesterday it was like raining and like we went to the tuner to get the Hondata tuned, so it took a lot of our time. So we don't really have that much content to come put out for today. So probably over the weekend I'll get more content with a longer video for you guys. But I know I haven't said this to any one of you guys yet, but just stay safe out there, wash your hands, keep clean, sanitize if you can, and just look out for one another. I know it's kind of hard wanting to stay in the house all day because it's hard for me to stay in the house all day, but it is what it is. You just gotta go by the rules, you know? Like here in New Jersey, we have a curfew that's like 8 o'clock. So I can't even stay working on the car that long because if you get caught outside, you're supposed to get a misdemeanor, and no one has time for that. So, like I said, today's video is pretty short. I know Maine, today he mounted the catch can. I obviously couldn't help today because I have to work. But he was like, you know, I'm not doing anything, I'm gonna just do it. I was like, all right, cool. So he mounted the catch can today. He relocated the coolant bottle to underneath, so you won't see it. It'll be under the bumper. And like I was saying in the video, I kind of just want to find a lot of like dress up for the engine bay just to make it look cleaner, because right now it just kind of looks like it's just a bunch of wires and like parts everywhere. I don't think I said it in the video. I didn't. We actually did the EGR delete, so I don't have that anymore, so I have to get a cap for that. Like I said, I have a lot more parts that we have to install and, you know, do, but like for right now, I just want to get the car started. And then once we go to his shop, or once this whole entire, if this gets lifted soon, then we'll work on the clutch at his shop, because it'll just be easier to put the car up on the lift and be able to take the trans down and do all that stuff easier instead of being on the floor fighting with it. So that's my thought process on that. But if this is like prolonged and we can't go to his shop, then we'll just have to do it in the garage. So I was able to go to the tuner, and they gave me the base map. So now, like I said, all I have to do is just plug it in the car, get the car started, and then when I'm ready, I can go to them and get it tuned like properly and dialed in. He said that obviously you can't beat on the car, which I wouldn't beat on the car. He said it has like a boost cut on there, so you won't go past I guess the limit, so that way you don't mess anything up. But like, you know, you just want to be sure, and the type of person that I am, I don't want to do anything until I know my car is 100%. So that's pretty much it with today's video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the next one. I know it was pretty short, not much going on, but I just wanted to put out some type of content for you guys because I'm bored trying to find something to watch. So I know you guys are bored trying to find something to watch. So make sure you guys watch the videos, come back, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you can. Well, you should subscribe if you're watching. You should subscribe to me. So that's pretty much it. I ain't gonna talk your heads off anymore. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.